Hello everyone, I'm LCLD. This is a PlayStation. Yet this is also a PlayStation. So what is the difference between these two? This is a bit crazy to explain. Sony released the Nintendo version of PlayStation, but Nintendo broke the deal and instead partnered with Philips. Driven by revenge, Sony developed its own gaming console and defeated Nintendo.
$2.99.
But I still couldn't afford it, so I had to play cheap NAS clones. The first time I saw PlayStation's 3D graphics, I was truly amazed. I feel like a primitive person. The most popular handheld console of the last century was this brick-shaped device. I wish PlayStation could be made into a handheld console. In just over 30 years, technology has advanced rapidly. People can now create their own circuit boards and have even invented 3D printers. I want to build a handheld console that is purely hardware-based. SD card drive emulation can reduce the size. I bought 3 PS1 consoles at a second-hand market. Oh, no. The PSON has circuit diagrams, and the circuit has been simplified. To reduce size, I redesigned the circuit board. Don't laugh at my design skills, I just want it to work. Haha. Design the housing based on the dimensions of the 6-inch LCD and the new circuit board. Perform 3D modeling. Using a 3D printer to print. The casing is still perfect. I'm going to transplant the PS chip onto my newly made circuit board. The smoke produced during heating is toxic. Proper anti-toxic protection must be taken. Then comes the solder paste scraping. Placing electronic components. Heat to high temperature to melt the solder. A new PS motherboard has been born. Much smaller in size, ideal for handheld devices. Start assembling. This is the conversion of RGB signal to VGA signal. This is a simulated SD card optical drive. 2 joysticks. Install screen bearing. Install LCD. Completed the work. I call it PSSP. This is the LR key. VGA processor with scanline effect, making the image appear very clear. I miss the wonderful times I spent beating this game.
dark for traces of the love you left inside my lonely heart, to weave by picking up the pieces that remain, melodies of life, love's lost refrain. Our paths they did cross, though I cannot say just why. We met, we left, we held on fast, and then we said goodbye. And who'll hear the echoes of stories never told? Let them